Hi guys, today we're gonna show you how we do our turkey tenders. So this time we're gonna show you how we marinate our turkey tenders. So for the marinade, and this marinade is for all-purpose poultry, either turkey or chicken. So for the turkey tenders, today we're gonna have some sage, and we're gonna have some rosemary, and we're gonna be using garlic, a little bit of hot pepper flakes, allspice, paprika, some ginger, some cumin, freshly ground pepper, salt, little bit of lemon juice. And today we're gonna use chicken stock, but you can always use turkey stock if you're using turkey meat. And of course we're gonna have olive oil. We will post the marinade recipe on our Facebook page. So I add the seasoning now. I add like salt, okay? Ground fresh pepper, okay? Paprika, be generous on the paprika. I like paprika, okay? All right. I put a little bit of cumin, not much, just enough. Okay. A little bit of allspice, not much, just enough. Okay. A little bit of ginger. All right. Little bit of, just a little bit, not much, pepper flakes, hot pepper flakes. All right. And here I have some rosemary, not much. This is from my garden, so you pulverize it with your hand like that to freshen the flavor, okay? And I'm gonna use a few of the sage. If you're doing turkey, it's a good idea to put sage. Usually with the chicken I put tarragon, okay? Only a few of those. I add a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, and if I'll add some chicken stock this case because I don't have turkey stock, but you can have chicken stock or turkey stock, or you mix it, doesn't matter, okay? Add some nice olive oil, okay? And now I add my garlic. So I use this zester here for me, you know. It's, you know, you're gonna make your garlic to a paste, okay? So after I put all the marinade here, then I'll mix everything together real good and make sure the marinade covers all the parts, okay? So if you have to add more olive oil or stock, you do that, okay? So after I mix all the marinade pretty good, I'll cover it and put it in the refrigerator for overnight. Or if you are in a hurry, you have to marinate it at least for a few hours before you cook it, okay? Here we are after marinating our tenders overnight. And now we're gonna be baking them on a 350 degrees oven. Okay, so now I'm gonna take them out and put them on a tray. As you can see, look at this beautiful tenders. All right. Okay. So after taking the tenders from the refrigerator, I like usually let them to be put them on a room temperature for at least half an hour, but usually I do it for 45 to an hour before I start baking them. Here we are after letting the turkey at room temperature for about an hour. Now we're gonna be baking it for on 350 degrees oven for about 25 minutes, and then we'll check it to see if it needs more baking. Okay guys, here we are after 30 minutes because these are big tenders, and we're gonna test it and to make sure it is done. Okay, here we are. What I do is I go for the thicker part and I put my knife in there, and if I see any trace of blood, it means it's not done, and I do it by hand as well. See, it's perfect, it's completely done, just right. Okay, here we are guys. Hopefully you like this recipe and you try it and you let me know. Okay, bye for now.